Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. On my latest video, I showed to you how to create a background that has a moving effect or creating emotion in your pictures. And now I will teach you on how to put some elements that is also moving. Okay? So the same app, this is Motionleap by Lightrix. And before this tutorial, please subscribe, watch and like my video so that you can have more tutorials and some fashion reviews and gadget reviews that I'm doing in my channel. So let's get it on. First, we're gonna go with a new project. Then I will choose some of my photos, that we can edit. Let's say this one. Yeah, you look at me. I'm so healthy. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is click the element on your screen. Can you see it? The element tab. Okay, so just click it. Then you can choose an element or an object that you will put to your pictures, and they will create an animation or it is moving. So I will choose only those are on the free trial or free version, because if you look at that crown, can you see the crown? Yes, that is paid options or paid object. So I will add a like this one. Yeah, this burning object or element that you can put in your pictures. And what I'm gonna do is I will erase the object or the area that I want to be still on my pictures. So just click this eraser here in the bottom right of your screen. Then select the area that you wanted to be seen. Just like that. I'm editing it. Okay. Okay, so if you accidentally remove the area that you don't want to erase, just click this brush option in the upper right of your eraser. Then it will eventually back to its original shape. Now I want to carefully put some like that one. Okay. Then if you want to zoom, guys, your picture, just pinch it, pinch in, pinch out if you want to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, that is a very easy thing you will do so that you can focus on what area that you wanted to shade or to erase. Okay, there you go. I will add some effects here, just a little bit. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough. Here. Okay, that's it, guys, and I will show you the finished product right now. Okay, can you see that? It is a moving elements. The moving elements that you can put in your photos. Now we will export it. Then you can choose your frame. There's their options. Then go export. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is so very easy tutorial that you can do to your photos, or you can experiment to your photos. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch and like my videos so that you are updated to my tutorials and some fashion reviews and gadget reviews on my channel. Thank you. Salamat.